Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jam tarts. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 125 grams of cold butter, 50 grams of sugar, and your favorite jam. Make sure your butter is very cold and cut into small cubes. This helps create a flaky pastry. Also, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. This ensures even baking. Now, let's make the pastry. In a large bowl, rub the cold butter into the flour until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Stir in the sugar. Gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of very cold water, mixing until a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overwork it. Wrap the dough in plastic and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender, flaky crust. Once your dough is chilled, lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to about 3 millimeters thick. Use a round cookie cutter, approximately 7 centimeters in diameter, to cut out circles. Carefully press each dough circle into the cups of a greased muffin tin. Fill each pastry shell with about 1 teaspoon of your chosen jam. Don't overfill, or it might bubble over during baking. Finally, it's time to bake. Place your filled muffin tin into the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the pastry is golden brown and the jam is bubbly. Once baked, let the tarts cool in the tin for a few minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious homemade jam tarts warm or at room temperature. They're perfect with a cup of tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.